Welcome YouTube. I'm Tucker with Hooligan Scale Models, and I just wanted to share something that I found from my parents' house that I thought was kind of cool. So my dad used to restore Corvettes back in when I was very young. We always had a bunch of old Corvettes from the 50s and even the 60s. So my dad also bought a 1960 model Corvette back in, I think he bought it in 63 or 64 and has had it ever since, still has it, and it's kind of mine and his now. But over the years, anything 60 Corvette related we always bought. And I was over at his house the other day, and he knows I do model cars a lot. And so he brought something out of the closet that I thought was pretty cool. And I just wanted to share it with you because I think it's pretty neat. So let's go to the overhead. So Radio Shack, which some of you remember fondly, occasionally would do promotional things and sales and stuff like that. Well, they had a 1960 Corvette model by Revell, and he went out and bought two of them. I remember going with him to buy them. So there's two. So the other day I'm over there and he brings them out, and not only does he bring out the models themselves, one of which is still sealed in the original plastic, but then he proceeds to give me the receipt. And I remember going to get them because they were in a circular cell and they were cheap. They were $1.88 a piece. So we bought two of them. And he still has the receipt. He even had the bag that they came in, but he did not give that to me. He kept it for himself. So one of the models, when I was a kid, I actually put together, and somehow I think I actually robbed some of the parts from it to build another 60 Vet model that was missing some pieces. So this one is incomplete, but there's still a few pieces of it. I remember priming the hood. I was doing that way back in 1983, and I was only, I don't know, 8 or 9 years old. But then again, I had been building real cars with him since I was about 6 or 7. So I thought that was just really cool, and I wanted to share it. I don't know if you can see the receipt there, but sure enough, $1.88, and bought two of them for $3.76 after tax, $3.99. Who remembers Radio Shack? And who remembers paper receipts? That's almost a thing. That's gone now, but there's the store number and a division of Tandy Corporation, and bought it in Midwest City, Oklahoma. So I thought that was kind of cool. My question is, do I unwrap this and build it, or do I hang on to it and just keep it for posterity? It's pretty neat. It's just a part of my childhood. I was, like I say, I was about 8 years old, maybe a little bit older. Yeah, about 8 years old. So let me know in the comments below. Should I build it, keep it the way it is, or should I just go on eBay and buy another one, which I found a bunch of them on eBay? Just buy one and put that one together. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. I look forward to hearing your input on this, because I really don't know what to do. The model itself is not super detailed. It's a fairly simple one. Excuse me. Nothing like sneezing on live cam. So let me know what you think. Like I said, there's the receipt right there. Oh, I'm sorry, bought it in 85, not 83. So yeah, I was born in 74, so yeah, I was a little bit older than that, but pretty neat. Let me know what you think. Till next time, peace.